Money is like an elixir of lasting youth and beauty that everyone wants to have in abundance. However, a limited percentage of individuals accomplish their goal of lasting wealth and worry-free life. Most of us struggle to manage our finances and look with envy towards the successful ones. Let's get the elixir to achieving financial goals in this video. Everyone can and does make money, but only a few lucky ones achieve financial independence and live a dream life. When we are struggling to pay bills, fees, and debts, a friend or a relative is playing in money. What a lucky guy. It has little to do with luck and more with knowing how to budget, invest, and save to amass wealth before our hair starts turning gray. You can also crack the code to financial freedom and achieve all your financial goals with the right money expert. The best personal finance books can be that finance wizard who knows the magic to cure all your money troubles. Not every personal finance book can have a solution to your situation. I have curated a list of 10 best personal finance books to keep you from sifting through hundreds to find the right one. These pages contain all the wisdom and strategies you need to transform your financial destiny the way you desire. So let's begin your journey towards financial wizardry. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 10. Your Money or Your Life by Joe Dominguez. He was a revered financial analyst on Wall Street and a pioneer of the financial independence concept and voluntary simplicity. He co-authored Your Money or Your Life with Vicki Robin in 1992, and the book is considered one of the best on personal finance and money ever since. As the title says, this book is designed for everyone. The book unearths timeless principles for finance management to help people make a life. The updated editions have modern approaches for the same purpose. As a champion of a frugal lifestyle, Joe emphasizes keeping track of expenses. He says that each dollar we spend represents a chunk of our energy spent earning it. This approach helps individuals reevaluate their money spending habits and develop a habit of conscious consumption. The text also outlines guidelines and strategies for debt reduction, building savings and investments to create a life of financial freedom and fulfillment. If you want to learn the significance of being finance savvy and how to become one, get yourself a copy of this book. Number 9. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. He was a successful author and business theorist. He spent decades observing the habits and mindsets of affluent Americans. Stanley authored and co-authored many award-winning books. One of them is The Millionaire Next Door. The book bursts the myths surrounding millionaires using research and expert insights. It shows that people living in opulence aren't as different from you as you expect. The reason why these millionaires next door are living luxuriously and you aren't is because of their prudent finance management. The text highlights 7 common characteristics of wealthy citizens, including frugal living, discipline, visionary planning, and refusing traditional consumerism. It tells you that the secret of affluence lies in reevaluating your money spending habits, making educated decisions and long-term financial goals, and adopting a financial savvy lifestyle. This book is a recipe for financial independence and prosperous life, so get your copy immediately. Number 8. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. He is one of the most trusted voices in the USA on finance and business. In addition to being an exceptional money expert, he is also a renowned author and a radio host. Ramsey's The Dave Ramsey Show is heard by millions of listeners every week. The Total Money Makeover is like a godsend for borrowers and those having difficulty managing credit and debit cards. Ramsey is a champion of leading a debt-free life, and this is the central idea of this book. Dave shares his money management approaches through the tale of a young man buried in debt. He transforms his financial havoc into lifelong prosperity after encountering Dave Ramsey. Ramsey eggs on financially struggling individuals to set up an emergency where he should stash away 3 to 6 months of his expenses. He also offers easy-to-adopt strategies to get rid of detrimental habits, like shopping sprees of luxuries. The book is brimming with similar revolutionary tips and game plans for grasping financial freedom to lead a prosperous life. So get yourself a copy without further delay. Number 7. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. He is a graduate of Stanford and co-founder of Bookish. He started his blog, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, in his dorm back in 2004. It is read by more than 300,000 people every month now. His book with the same title brought widespread popularity as an author on personal finance management and business. I'll Teach You to Be Rich uncovers Ramit's straightforward and no-nonsense approach to managing money. He shares his 6-week plan of action for increasing your income and savings. Forbes called him a wealth wizard, and rightfully so. You will realize the same once you start reaping benefits from his strategies. The text teaches you how you can cut costs from every money-eating aspect of your life and squander guilt-free on the luxuries you love. The book outlines how to manage your credit cards, do away with student loans faster than anticipated, and save hundreds of dollars every month. Are you interested to learn all the secrets? Read the complete book to find out how you can buy as many Guxes, Pradas, Nikes, or Rolex as you want. Number 6. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. He was a successful financial analyst in corporate finance before switching to a writing career. The Simple Path to Wealth brought him immense fame as an expert personal finance author. It is one of the most admired personal finance books on Amazon, having thousands of reviews. The best part of the book is that it uses a light and engaging tone to impart actionable advice on money management and investing. Collins makes the dark and riddle-infested world of investing easy and accessible for ordinary individuals by avoiding complex financial jargon. He uses simple and encouraging words to help understand phenomena like market fluctuation and investment in low-cost index funds. The book debunks myths and highlights the value of early and consistent investing, saving, and living economically. It will empower you with the financial wisdom required to acquire financial independence and live a worry-free, wealthy life. Number 5. Financial Freedom by Grant Sabatier. He was called the Millennial Millionaire at the age of 29 by CNBC and gained financial independence before hitting 30. He shared his 5-year journey from being broke to becoming a millionaire on his blog Millennial Money. Financial Freedom, a proven path to all the money you will ever need, reveals strategies and propositions for creating a financially stress-free future. He uses personal experience and expertise to give credibility to his advice. If it worked for him, it will work for his readers too. He delves into the philosophy of FIRE, financial independence, retire early, and motivates people to reassess their bond with money. Do you want to resign from the job you detest but can't quit because it brings you money? Or do you want to travel across the world but don't have enough savings? Grant will give you a roadmap for accomplishing these goals. He uses out-of-the-box approaches to help you amass more wealth in less time. Number 4. Get Good with Money by Tiffany Alich. You may know her as the Budgetnista. Tiffany is one of America's most liked finance educators. She founded an online platform, the Live Richer Academy, to impart financial education and means to women. Get Good with Money is her best-selling book on personal finance. It is a treasure trove of financial wisdom and guidance for young professionals and anyone struggling to pay off his debts. The book is loaded with real-life tales, actionable advice, and steps to enable individuals to fatten their weak financial health. It also contains worksheets to help you evaluate your financial condition. Tiffany candidly shares her financial battles and journey towards achieving financial soundness to encourage readers not to fall prey to monsters like shame and judgment. You will find effective and actionable techniques for paying off debt, budgeting, creating emergency funds, and investing. If you want to redesign your money destiny, get a copy of this book. Number 3. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. He was in the U.S. Army troops when the Spanish-American War broke out. George Samuel Clason was also a successful author and an astute businessman. Old as Gold aptly describes the richest man in Babylon. The book was first published in 1926, but is considered a timeless classic to this day for its sound lessons on personal wealth. Clason's schemes and advice aren't just crunching numbers. They seem credible because he transfers them through tales and parables of Babylonians. Through the interaction between Bansir, Kabi, and Arkad, Clason offers surefire plans to acquire wealth, happiness, and prosperity. He argues that adopting a frugal lifestyle and avoiding debt as much as possible can keep us from falling prey to financial chaos. The book also offers practical tips for making wise investments and increasing your money without losing the dollars in your bank accounts. If you want a simple and lifetime solution to your financial ails, buy a copy of this book. Number 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. He is a successful writer, entrepreneur, and businessman irrespective of not having any academic history in business management or finance. Kiyosaki is also the founder of the Rich Dad Company and a popular educational game, Cashflow 101. Rich Dad, Poor Dad has become an emblem for Robert Kiyosaki. You will see this name also in my other videos because it's damn good. It reveals Kiyosaki's story. He had two fathers while growing up. Poor Dad is his real father. He was working poor. Rich Dad was his bosom buddy's father. He was a self-made millionaire. Kiyosaki shares the contrasting ways of managing the money of both fatherly figures and the lessons he received from them. He imparts that knowledge to his readers. For instance, he teaches you how to distinguish assets from liabilities and what resources can invite money to your pocket and vice versa. The text teaches basic finance concepts such as budgeting and investing and offers easy-to-implement tips for acquiring financial liberty. Number 1. Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. He is an internationally acclaimed author and motivational orator. He started as a janitor at 17 and stepped on the path of success after attending a seminar by Jim Rohn. Tony Robbins is an inspiration in the publishing realm because of his masterpiece, Awaken the Giant Within. The book remained on the bestseller list of the New York Times for 4 years. The top recommendation for today's list is Tony's other gem, Money Master the Game. The book comes with a simple proposal: either learn to master money or be ready for it to master you. The book guides ordinary individuals on how to make smart choices about money to secure their future. After a decade of research and one-on-one chats with financial legends like Warren Buffett, Steve Forbes, Jack Bogle, and Ray Dalio, Robbins devised the best strategies for gaining financial freedom. The book provides tips for avoiding blunders regarding money and setting attainable financial goals. Whether you want to learn about wise and fruitful investment options, avoid scams, or need money-saving tips, the text has it all. Get the best bang for your buck by buying this personal finance gem. I gave you brief sneak peeks of these books to show you why they are considered the best personal finance books. Whether you are struggling with debt or bad money habits or want to learn secrets about making wealth early in your life, these books will give a solid roadmap. You just have to pick the one that speaks the best to your financial conundrums. Your financial independence is just a book away. Video helped you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the books mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.